If you're looking for the best screwdriver to add to your toolkit, you have definitely come to the right place. Whether you're a professional tradesperson, a weekend DIY warrior, or just someone who needs to hang a picture frame without calling for help, having the right tool in your hand makes all the difference. In this video, we are breaking down the top 5 best screwdrivers on the market right now. We've got options for everyone, from high-tech electric models to trusted manual classics, so get ready to find your perfect match. First up, we have the Fanttik E1 Max electric screwdriver. This little device is a precision repair specialist. It features a powerful Neopulse motor that delivers accurate torque with settings as low as 0.05 N.M. That makes it absolutely perfect for delicate electronics like laptops, phones, cameras, or even a drone wing replacement. It comes with a massive 50 magnetic bits made from durable S2 steel, so you'll always have the right head for the job. The magnetic pop-up case is a clever touch that keeps everything neatly organized, plus it feels really satisfying to open and close. The built-in battery lasts a long time and charges easily with a USB-C cable. It even has an LED light for working in dim areas. If you're a DIYer who tinkers with small gadgets, this is a game changer. If that sounds like you, check the link in the description below to get yours. Next on the list is the AVID Power Electric Screwdriver Set. This one's built for maximum performance around the house. It delivers a strong 5.65 Newton-meters of max torque and a no-load speed of 200 RPM, which gives you efficient fastening power for just about any task. The standout feature is the dual-position handle. It converts from a straight driver to a pistol grip in seconds, making it incredibly useful for those tight or hard-to-reach spaces. It has a metal chuck for easy bit changes and a bright LED light for dark corners. The built-in 1300 mAh battery is long-lasting and can be charged anywhere using the included USB cable. With 44 accessories, including sockets and drill bits, this is a comprehensive kit that covers all your bases. It truly is a top-rated and affordable option for general household repairs. If you want the link, it is waiting for you down below. Now let's talk about the WORX 4V electric screwdriver. This one is famous for its innovative design and ease of use. It features a semi-automatic slide-action changer that lets you switch between 6 bits with just a flick of your thumb, so you never have to fumble around looking for a bit again. There's also a built-in screw holder, which is fantastic because it lets you drive screws with just one hand, getting into those tough spots without any hassle. The internal 4V Max lithium battery can hold a charge for up to 18 months, so it'll always be ready when you need it. At just 1.1 pounds, it's lightweight and ergonomic, reducing wrist fatigue even during long projects. It comes with a charger and 6 of the most common bits. It's a durable, thoughtful tool that makes the whole DIY experience a lot smoother. If you want to simplify your projects, grab one today by clicking the link below. For those who prefer the reliability of a manual tool, we have the Klein Tools 32293 Insulated Screwdriver. This is a professional-grade 2-in-1 tool that's built to last. It features a flip blade with a No. 2 Phillips tip on one end and a 1/4-inch slotted tip on the other. The auto eject lock collar allows you to flip and release the blades securely and easily. The bright orange insulation is rated for up to 1,000 volts, offering excellent protection against electric shock. It's flame and impact resistant too. This screwdriver is an absolute best choice for electricians or anyone working with live circuits. With a slim tip designed to fit tight terminal blocks, it handles electrical work safely and precisely. Klein Tools has been making premium quality gear for over 160 years, so you know you're getting a professional hand tool that will hold up to heavy use. If safety and durability are your priorities, this is the one for you. Finally, we have the SKIL Twist 2.0 Rechargeable Screwdriver. This is a modern tool designed with a pivot head which locks into 3 different positions. It allows for much better ergonomics and reach when working in tight spaces. It features 3 torque settings, so you can easily adjust the power to match whatever you're working on. The forward and reverse triggers are right at your fingertips for easy control, and it even has an LED light to help you see in darker spots. It comes with a 28-piece bit set and a sturdy case, making it a fantastic portable kit. Charging is simple via USB-C port, so you can top it up from your laptop, power bank, or wall adapter. This cordless screwdriver is a smart, versatile choice for anyone needing help with home repairs. If you want a screwdriver that works as hard as you do, go check it out in the description. So there you have it, the top 5 best screwdrivers available this year. Each of these tools have been carefully selected for their quality and performance. If you ask us, the WORX 4V electric screwdriver really takes the top spot for most people because of its clever one-hand design and long battery life. But honestly, you really can't go wrong with any of these options. Make sure to check the links in the description below for the best prices and more details. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Let us know in the comments which one you're picking for your toolbox. Happy building, and we'll see you in the next one.